Hello, my name is Lucia, and today I am going to tell about my daily routine, my studies, and my food preferences. Every day I wake up at 7. I always brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I have breakfast. I usually eat some bread and drink a cup of coffee. Sometimes I also eat an egg. I love having a simple breakfast because I don't have much time. Af- After breakfast, I go to my class. I always listen to my teacher and take notes. I sometimes study in the library because it is good. I also do my homework in the afternoon. I am responsible, so I always try to finish my assignment con- on time. Now, I want to talk about food. I like eating reality food, but sometimes I eat fast food. I love eating chicken and rice. Else like vegetables, but and don't like onions very much. A restaurant. I usually order some chicken with salad and a drink. I don't like drinking soda very often, so I prefer pizza or waiter. I drink reality foods. It's important for my life. Finally, I come sad. Think I have a simple but organized life. I study. I help my family and take care of my health. health. I love learning and improving every day. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.